Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we will continue the last part of lesson number 20, that is our community life. After this part, our lesson will get over. Today we will begin with new words. Impact means having a strong effect on someone or something. Impact means having a strong effect on someone or something. For example, our Honorable Prime Minister's speech always has a impact, a powerful impact on citizens of India. Yes. Another example, children, our Mataji's speech also has a great impact or powerful impact on our minds. Whenever she gives a speech, it has a great impact on everyone's mind. Okay. So impact means having a strong effect on someone's or something. Repeat after me. IMPACT, impact. IMPACT, impact. Contaminate means to make something impure or dirty. Contaminate means to make something impure or dirty. For example, sewage contaminates river, or river water gets contaminated because of sewage. Sewage means waste water or impure water or dirty water which releases from the industries and that flows directly into the river, and that contaminates river. Okay, or we say river water gets contaminated because of sewage. Understood, children? Now repeat after me. CONTAMINATE, contaminate. CONTAMINATE, contaminate. Very good. Toxic means poisonous. Toxic means poisonous or very harmful. For example, the burning of waste emits toxic gases or poisonous gases. Repeat after me. TOXIC, toxic. TOXIC, toxic. Very good. Now children, we will continue with discussion of extra questions which are given in the textbook. We have already started this. Now today we will discuss what if there were no hospitals. Children, can you imagine without hospitals? No, it's very, very difficult. Yes. If there are no hospitals, people will die because there will be no medical facilities available. I repeat, if there are no hospitals, people will die because doctors will not be there, nurses will not be there, who will treat patients. Yes, medicines won't be there, medical facilities will not be available. So how we will get medicines? Okay, and that is why people will die because there will be no medical facilities available. Different types of diseases will increase and pass to one another. Different types of diseases will increase. Infectious diseases or contagious diseases or many other kind of diseases will increase and that pass to one another, and that is why all people on the earth will die. It will cause a bad impact on all the people. Yes, it will cause a strong effect on all the people. Children, now actually we have many well-equipped hospitals. That is why our life is safe. No, during this COVID situation, that is why many people, they saved their life. Yes, why? Because we have well-equipped hospitals. Otherwise, just imagine without hospitals, No, we cannot imagine. No? People will die without hospitals. Is that clear to everyone? Now we'll discuss what if garbage were to pile up. When garbage is thrown or piled up everywhere, it destroys the beauty of the place. You also must have seen garbage piled up, no, in some areas, right? I'm sure you would not love to live in a place where there is garbage all over. Yes? Nobody would love, no? Because it destroys the beauty of the place and it gives off bad smell also, right? When garbage is thrown or piled up everywhere, it destroys the beauty of the place. When garbage is piled up for some time, it starts giving off bad smell as it starts decaying. Why it starts giving bad smell? Because it starts decaying. That means it starts spoiling. That is why it starts giving off bad smell, right? The various types of waste, when mixes with other substances which can contaminate groundwater and nearby water bodies when there is rain. See, various types of waste, when it mixes with other substance which can contaminate means makes impure or dirty groundwater and nearby water bodies when there is rain. If people use the same water for drinking, they may get various diseases. If we use the same water for drinking, we may get various diseases. Piling up garbage is the main cause of air pollution. That means when garbage gets piled up, it causes air pollution. The smoke from the burning garbage not only poisons the air, it also increases the spread of diseases. The smoke from the burning garbage makes the air poisonous and it also increases the spread of diseases. The burning of waste emits toxic gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which pollutes the air, causing air pollution, and this is very harmful for human being because it also increases the spread of diseases like heart diseases or headache, or people may have breathing problem also. Okay, I repeat, the burning of waste emits toxic gases like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, which pollutes the air, causing air pollution, and this is very harmful for human being because it also increases the spread of diseases like heart diseases, people may have headache, people may have breathing problem also. So people need to dispose the garbage in a proper way. Okay, that means we need to dispose the garbage in a proper way. That means we need to segregate garbage, like wet garbage should be separated and dry garbage should be separated. Okay, like that. Do not let the garbage pile up as it causes problem for everyone. Okay, do not let the garbage pile up as it causes problem for everyone. I hope this is clear, children. Now we'll revise, fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the brackets. In a community, we have already practiced this. Now come on, give me the answers. In a community, we get, very good, companions, correct answer. Okay, now repeat after me. In a community, we get companions. In a community, we get companions. Good. Community life is, very good, interdependent. Correct. Community life is interdependent. Repeat after me. Community life is interdependent. Community life is interdependent. Dash are needed to build cooperation. Very good. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Good. That means you all are studying. No? Rules are needed to build cooperation. Good. Repeat. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Education and dash facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education and health facilities. Good. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Repeat. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Production and dash are necessary to satisfy needs. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Very good. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Repeat after me. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Good. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Very good. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Good. Repeat after me. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. We'll continue with state whether the following statements are true or false. Helping each other is called production. This is false statement. This is a false statement. Correct. Okay. Helping each other is called as cooperation. No? Yeah. So this is the false statement. We are not going to repeat. Okay. But remember, helping each other is called cooperation and not production. The rules of the game are same for everybody. This is the true statement. Very good. The rules of the game are same for everybody. No? True statement. Yes. Now repeat after me. The rules of the game are same for everybody. The rules of the game are same for everybody. Very good. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. This is also, a true statement. Yes, very good. Okay, this is also true. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. True statement. Repeat after me. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Very good. Okay, children, here we have completed our whole lesson. Okay, keep revising, keep watching videos again and again and get your doubts solved. Yes, we'll meet in the next class. Till then, bye. Sai Ram.